Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Lady Lake, Florida. Unveiling the weight loss secret of Lady Lake celebrities and elites. Ozempic. Are you tired of trying every fad diet and exercise routine in the book, but still not seeing any significant weight loss results? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many Lady Lake residents struggle with weight loss, but there is a secret weapon that celebrities and elites have been using to shed pounds: Ozempic. Ozempic is a prescription medication used to treat type 2 diabetes, but it also has the added benefit of promoting weight loss. This medication is a game changer for people who have tried everything else and are still struggling to lose weight. So, what makes Ozempic so effective for weight loss? Let's take a closer look. How Ozempic works to promote weight loss. Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which is naturally produced in the body. GLP-1 helps to regulate blood sugar levels and also reduces appetite. When you take Ozempic, it activates GLP-1 receptors in the body, which leads to a decrease in appetite and an increase in feelings of fullness. This means you will naturally eat less and feel fuller for longer periods of time, leading to weight loss. In addition to reducing appetite, Ozempic also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. By regulating blood sugar levels, Ozempic can prevent spikes and crashes in energy levels, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. The benefits of Ozempic for Lady Lake residents. For Lady Lake residents who are struggling with weight loss, Ozempic can be a lifesaver. This medication is easy to use and can be taken once a week, which is much more convenient than having to take multiple pills throughout the day. Unlike many other weight loss medications, Ozempic has been proven to be effective in clinical trials. In fact, people who take Ozempic can expect to lose an average of 12–13 pounds over the course of 6 months. Another benefit of Ozempic is that it is generally well tolerated and has few side effects. The most common side effects are nausea and diarrhea, but these usually go away after a few days of use. Ozempic, the weight loss secret of Lady Lake celebrities. It's no secret that celebrities have access to the latest and greatest weight loss treatments, and Ozempic is no exception. Many celebrities have been using Ozempic to shed pounds and get in shape for their upcoming roles. One celebrity who has been open about her use of Ozempic is actress Rebel Wilson. She credits the medication with helping her lose 60 pounds and achieve her weight loss goals. But you don't have to be a celebrity to benefit from Ozempic. This medication is available to anyone who is struggling with weight loss and wants to see real results. The future of weight loss. Ozempic. Ozempic is not just a passing fad, it is the future of weight loss. As more and more people struggle with obesity and its related health issues, medications like Ozempic will become increasingly important in the fight against weight gain. With its proven effectiveness, convenience, and few side effects, Ozempic is a game changer for anyone who wants to lose weight and improve their health. If you are struggling with weight loss, talk to your doctor about whether Ozempic might be right for you. With this medication, you can finally achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. Transform your body with Ozempic, the secret to lasting weight loss. Are you tired of yo-yo dieting and temporary weight loss solutions? It's time to try something different. Ozempic. This medication is the secret to lasting weight loss and can help you achieve your goals once and for all. With its ability to reduce appetite, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote real weight loss, Ozempic is the ultimate weight loss solution. So what are you waiting for? Talk to your doctor today about whether Ozempic is right for you. You won't regret it. Learn about Lady Lake, Florida. If it's time to take the first step in the direction of a much healthier, a lot more positive you, after that now is the time to sign up for our Ozempic weight loss program. Our program is made to aid you reach your Ozempic fat-burning objectives in Florida while offering you the assistance and also expertise you need to be successful. From personalized dish strategies to one-on-one coaching, our program is tailored to your private requirements. So do not wait any longer. Subscribe currently as well as begin on your journey to a much healthier, better you. Ozempic is a medication that is used to help with weight loss. The medication works by reducing the appetite and increasing fullness after meals. Ozempic is a once-weekly injectable medication. The medication is used in combination with a healthy diet and exercise program. Ozempic is only available by prescription and must be administered by a healthcare provider. The medication has been shown to be effective in clinical trials, with patients experiencing an average weight loss of 12–14 pounds over 52 weeks. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Ozempic may interact with other medications, so it is important to discuss all medications with your healthcare provider before starting treatment. The medication may not be suitable for everyone, including those with a history of pancreatitis or thyroid cancer. Ozempic is not recommended for use in pregnant or breastfeeding women. It is important to follow the dosing instructions provided by your healthcare provider and not to adjust the dose without their guidance. Patients using Ozempic should monitor their blood sugar levels closely, as the medication can cause low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. In addition to weight loss, Ozempic may also help to improve blood sugar control in patients with type 2 diabetes. Patients should contact their healthcare provider if they experience any unusual symptoms while using Ozempic. Ozempic should be stored at room temperature and should not be frozen. The medication should be disposed of properly, in accordance with local regulations. Patients should not share their Ozempic medication with others. Ozempic may be covered by insurance, but patients should check with their insurance provider to confirm coverage. Patients should continue to follow a healthy diet and exercise program even after stopping Ozempic, in order to maintain weight loss. If you are looking for an Ozempic weight loss clinic in Lake Mary, Florida, then where to find an Ozempic weight loss doctor in Lake Mary is the answer. Ozempic and Wegovy, semaglutide, injectable medications can help people who struggle with their weight reduce body fat significantly and effectively when used in combination with a healthy diet and lifestyle.